And as you can see here, I have them set back about 3/4 of an inch, and that's for the face frame. I made the face frame out of one continuous piece, so it looks like it's all running together, which is really cool. Cut it to the width that I needed, and then cut them all to the length that they needed. And then just laid them out to make sure that it was how I liked. I did round over the corners, but you don't have to do this if you would rather have a nice square edge to them. This is just, I just liked this, so this is why I did it this way. I used double-sided tape and playing cards to make sure that my drawers, or my drawer fronts, were nicely spaced in there. As you can see here, you just grab like, 2, 3, 4 cards, however many you need. Set them on the bottom, set them on the sides here, and that will get your drawer front perfectly lined up. Push it into the double-sided sticky tape, and then I just added some screws from the inside of the drawer to hold it in place. I just finished it with some teak oil. Wanted to try to keep it as natural as I could. Then I made this little jig for the drawer pulls, so that way I get my drawers in the same place every single time, or I'm sorry, my handles in the same place every single time. You can also buy one of these online, so you don't have to make your own, but it took me just a sec to make it, so I did. And then your handles are in the same place every single time on every single drawer.